Hi everyone, this is Ornell, and I'm here to introduce you to a new feature of WordPress.org called Patterns. And here I'm on the Patterns, or excuse me, I'm on the WordPress page, and you can see that Patterns is a new item here in their menu. Patterns includes basically patterns that people have created and that you can choose and use, and also a pattern creator where you can create your own new pattern and then submit it to them for approval so that it can also be saved and shown on this directory. So right now I'm going to show you a couple of patterns, or just show you one of them at least. I'm going to show you how easy it is that you can use it. So here you can see that these are like pieces of a page. Like this is a testimonial or a 3-column section here describing 3 different sections. And you can click on copy pattern. And if you have a WordPress site up, and I have one from earlier, and I'll just go ahead and paste what I just liked. You can just copy, since I copied it earlier, I'm going to hit paste, and you can see immediately that that pattern was added to the post. You can see how very quick it is to create pages or posts using different patterns that they provide. And they've been doing this already in the in WordPress with Gutenberg, but this is the official release of it, and it also allows people to create their own patterns and then make it publicly available for everyone to use. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and create our own. I'm going to go back to the WordPress site. Now notice, in order to save, you need to be signed in, and when you're signed into WordPress, it allows you to use their pattern creator and then save what you're creating. And a couple do's and don'ts when you're creating a pattern: make sure that you're not using a ton of placeholder text. They don't like that. Also, any pattern that you create should be something that's useful and time-saving, something that's worthwhile, because if it's just a couple blocks with some text and some color differences, they won't accept it when they review it. They'll just flat out not take it. So when you're creating a pattern and you want to share it with everyone, it definitely needs to be useful and allows people to save time, and it's a creative option for when they're building their WordPress site. So let's just go ahead and create an example pattern real quick. I'm going to go ahead and give it a title, and we're just going to call this one donations page. And then I'm going to give it a header. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add columns. I'm going to try to speed this up so we can just show you an example of how this all works. And there's a quick example of a pattern that's created. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Draft. If you hit Submit, it'll go to WordPress, and they're going to review it. And if they think it's worthy to put in the directory, they'll put it in. So if you click on Patterns here, you can see My Patterns. And you can see that I've added some already here. This is the draft I just did. And then this is an organization page where you can see it's still pending. And this is one I've added earlier, and they've already approved it. And that's Patterns within WordPress. I hope you liked the tool. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks again, and have a great one. Bye.